Hello, in this lesson we are going to learn how to correct typing errors in terminal on Mac. Here, this is one of the error. How we can directly remove a line in the terminal without pressing and hold our delete button and waiting some time until it get deleted. There's an option. That option is you can press control button and U button, this U button at once, then the whole line will be deleted in the terminal. Alright, now that's fine. That is control and U. And how we can delete all the text available in right side of the selected position. Here I have selected O here. Then how we can delete all the text available in the right side, these. Okay, to delete that we can press and control and K at once, then it will delete all the text available in the right side of selected text, selected character. Okay, not text. Now you can see it deleted whole text available in the right side including the selected letter. Now I want to show you another example here. I have selected I here. If I press Ctrl and K, then I can delete everything including I to the right side. Ctrl and K, press at once. Alright, now I want to delete everything including this space. There is a space, as we can see. We can press Ctrl and K. Now you can see that space is deleted. When we insert the new text, we can insert like this. Alright, now I am going to press Ctrl and U to delete whole line. Ctrl and U. Alright,